Welcome to CarOG 765. If you are passionate about classic cars and love exploring hidden gems from automotive history, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay with us for more amazing car stories. Today, we are taking you back to the year 1970, to look at one of Honda's most fascinating creations, the Honda S800. A car that may be small in size, but carries a giant legacy in the world of classic sports cars. The Honda S800 was the successor to the S600, and it made its debut in 1966, staying in production until 1970. It was the last model in Honda's legendary S-Series Roadsters before the company shifted focus toward larger cars. And believe me, this little Roadster became an icon because of its unique engineering and spirited driving experience. Under the hood, the S800 had a 791cc inline-4 engine. Now, that might sound small compared to the American muscle cars of the same era, but here's the magic: this engine could rev all the way up to 10,000 RPM. Yes, you heard that right, 10,000 RPM. That's something even modern cars struggle to achieve. It produced around 70 horsepower, which was more than enough for a car weighing just about 1,600 pounds. This gave the S800 a top speed of nearly 100 miles per hour, which was impressive for its size and class. Honda's motorcycle DNA was clearly visible in the S800. The engine was almost like a motorcycle engine, lightweight, high-revving, and engineered with precision. The car featured a 4-speed manual transmission, and thanks to its light weight, it offered an incredibly engaging driving experience. In terms of design, the S800 had a very sleek and sporty look. It was available as both a coupe and a roadster, giving buyers the freedom to choose their style. Its long hood, small cabin, and clean lines made it stand out. It wasn't trying to be a muscle car, it was about simplicity, efficiency, and fun. The handling of the S800 was also ahead of its time. With a well-balanced chassis, front disc brakes, and independent suspension, this little car cornered beautifully. It wasn't about raw power, it was about control, precision, and the joy of driving. What makes the Honda S800 special today is not just its rarity but also the fact that it represents Honda's early ambition. In the late 1960s, Honda was still new to the automotive world. They had already proven themselves with motorcycles, and with the S800, they showed the world that they could build cars that were just as thrilling. Collectors today love the S800 because of its unique character. It's not a car you see every day, especially in the United States. Many enthusiasts consider it one of the most underrated classic cars. Its high-revving engine, light body, and stylish design make it a perfect example of Japanese engineering at its best. So, when you think of classic cars from the 1970s, your mind might first go to the Ford Mustang, the Chevy Camaro, or the Dodge Challenger. But don't forget about the Honda S800, a small but mighty car that left a big mark on automotive history. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to CarOG 765 for more exciting stories about classic cars. And let me know in the comments, would you drive a high-revving little roadster like the Honda S800 if you had the chance?